All right, taking a look outside, nary a cloud in the FM area. Beautiful evening. If you're heading out to Friday night football, here's what you can expect. First and foremost, temperatures are cooler than average for this time of the year. It is 70 degrees. Winds are still a little on the breezy side, and we'll quickly be in the 60s this evening, so bring the light jacket along. Right now we have 70-degree readings from Langdon all the way through Valley City and Jamestown. And look at this, low 60s for Bemidji. So the cool spot where you'll definitely need the jacket for your games tonight will be in central Minnesota. Crystal clear skies through the Dakotas, western South Dakota, seeing a few showers and thunder showers developing there, but it's very quiet as we head into the evening hours. So getting quickly to your forecast, we'll spend most of the evening with temperatures in the 60s, but by bedtime, most of us will be slipping into the 50s and maybe even a few 40s out to the east. Crystal's clear skies continue. Remember, there will be another chance of those northern lights tonight. If you're out and about, look up to the north, and your best chance is to get away from the city lights. Also, pretty bright moon out there once again. As we go through the deep hours of the overnight, look at the change in cloud cover out to the west. We'll start our day, thanks to those clouds, a little milder in our western counties, but a cool start to the day once again in the low 40s for some in central Minnesota. Winds will be breezy from the southeast, and that'll start boosting temperatures as we go through our midday Saturday. 15 to 25 mile per hour gusts, and we'll see 70-degree readings by the midday hour. That's about where we're at right now. We'll warm up on that into the afternoon, but check out these clouds as a storm system moves through South Dakota. Could throw a slight chance of some isolated thunder showers late tomorrow for southeast North Dakota into the evening hours. So it'll be hit and miss at best, but there will be an increase in clouds down south, and will cool into the 60s for your evening. So hour by hour planner for Fargo, temperatures diving down into only the mid 50s. Not a bad start. Windy day from the southeast, so be prepared for that. Temperatures near 80 degrees for Fargo and Grand Forks. A lot of upper 70s across eastern North Dakota. Still in the 60s in Bemidji tomorrow afternoon. Low to mid 70s for much of western Minnesota. Here's a look at another fantastic shot. This one from late last night. We have the bright moon and the northern lights. Battle of the lights there. Scott, thanks for uploading a gorgeous photo there. Here's your planner. Now, tomorrow night we talked about that late night chance of showers and thunder showers. Fargo's chance about 20% better down south. Sunday, AM thunder a possibility. 86 degrees on a hot one out there, and that heat lasts into next week as well, as we'll have temperatures in the upper 80s through Thursday. All right, hurricane update. Category 4 Jose is looking to curl off into the Atlantic. That's the good news, but Irma remains quite strong. As a Category 4 storm, its winds have decreased a little bit and in more of a westward direction, which could impact the strength of it if it does happen to go over land in Cuba. We'll be watching that closely. 155 mile per hour winds. Latest forecast has scooted it off to the west a little bit, but it re-intensifies as it moves over the deep, warm waters south of Florida and makes landfall off to the west of Miami and impacts much of the peninsula. Look at the models on this storm showing the time frame when the eye makes contact with the land, somewhere around Sunday morning, bright and early, quite strong. And then once it makes landfall, it does weaken, but continuously brings level 4 storm conditions all the way up through the Tampa area. So quieter weather here. All eyes across the country will be on this as we go through the weekend, and we will continue to bring your updates right here.
Good, because a lot of people know some people who live there, family,
Exactly.
friends. Yeah,
Yep.
thanks.